And now for punching and blocking. The formation of a correct fist is important, so here's how to do it. Starting with the little finger, tightly clench the fingers in succession. Finally, press the forefinger and middle finger down firmly with the thumb. The forefist is the most frequently used striking point. It consists of the first and second knuckles of the forefinger. An imaginary straight line can be drawn from the center of the forearm to the point between the knuckles of the forefinger and middle finger. The forearm and knuckles form a straight line. Do not bend the wrist. The top and front of the fist form a 90-degree angle. Not like this, or like this, but this. We're now going to practice the four-fist straight punch. This is probably the most widely used technique in karate. It's extremely strong and effective when the distance to be covered is short. Practice this punch from the open leg stance. Lower the shoulders and relax the body. Place the punching hand above the hip bone, with the thumb up and the elbow pointing straight behind. Stretch out the other hand in front of the body. Thrust the punching hand straight forward, rubbing the elbow lightly along the side. As the elbow passes the body, twist the arm and wrist so that the arm is straight at the point of maximum extension. Simultaneously twist and retract the other arm to the ready position with the thumb up. At the point of impact, all the muscles of the body are tensed. This focus is momentary, and in the next instant, the muscles are relaxed, ready for the next punch. Practice slowly at first, then at speed. In karate, we divide the body into three parts. The upper area, Jodan, the middle area, Chudan, the lower area, Gedan. We're now going to deal with blocking. The first block we're going to learn is an upward block. It is usually used to block an attack to the face. Assume the open leg stance. Place one hand open in front and the other hand at the side in a ready position. The arms cross at chin height, the blocking arm outside, the withdrawing arm inside. Keep the elbow of the blocking arm in a 90-degree angle. Block the outside of the forearm about 10 centimeters away from the forehead. The fist higher than the elbow and the palm outward. Keep the elbow close to the body. Tighten the fist at the moment of blocking, at which time the abdominal muscles should be strongly tightened. And now the block in application. First slowly, then at speed. Watch closely for the attack coming. Do not block too early or too late. We now move on to the downward block. This is both a basic block and one of the preparatory positions in basic training. It's used against an attack to the abdomen or groin. Use the wrist in blocking downward and to the side. Use the elbow as a pivot. Straighten the arm as you block in a big downward movement. Both arms rotate. The two arms should almost touch as they pass each other. It's especially effective in defending against kicking attacks. And now let's see the application. Slow, then fast. Make sure you block with the outer edge of the wrist and clench the fist tightly.